Write me a 1000-word essay on machine learning. Tell me who made Chat GPT. Solve this equation for me. These are some of the many things Chat GPT can answer, solve and do. Chat GPT is a very powerful tool that can be used by anyone for free, at least for now. This state-of-the-art artificial intelligence allows you to generate any text. It can answer your questions, write essays, classify and compare text, explain or write codes, and it's fluent in almost every spoken language. First things first, let's use it. On Google, search for Chat GPT or type chat.openai.com directly in your browser. If you end up here, just click on Try. Then you'll need to register so you can use it. Click on Sign Up and then choose Continue with Google or register by typing in your email address. Pick a password and after verifying your email and phone number, you can log in. The next thing we see is this page, which represents the basic interface of ChatGPT. Down here you can ask it for anything, just like you will talk to another person. Tell it to write some essay. Ask for an imaginary story. Ask it to code. Ask it for an explanation. Ask it to summarize. Ask for any information or translation to another language. You can even ask it to write some interesting things like write me a rap song about Harry Potter in Lil Wayne's style. This was the user-friendly interface, but I want to show you more advanced options. This is called the Playground and you can access it by typing beta.openai.com/playground or by navigating through the interface. Here we have more control over the algorithm. You can choose the AI model they trained. DaVinci 003 is the newest one that is also used in the previous user-friendly interface. You can also change the maximum length, which is good for writing essays, or some other options which set repetition, randomness and many more. But you can also pick a preset, which can be a very good starting point to explore this tool. If you want even more presets, you can click on More Examples and you will get this list with complete explanations on how to use it. Be aware that ChatGPT has some limitations and rules. It won't give you any opinions. It won't give you any tutorials or tips for dangerous, illegal or unethical things. It is also limited by the number of tokens and maximum answer length. And for now, it can't search the internet. Because the cost of running this service is pretty high, I don't expect it to be free forever. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.